Interview preparation. CSS interview questions and answers. Top 30 common questions. Question 1. What is CSS? Answer: CSS, cascading style sheets, describes the style and layout of web pages. Question 2. What are the types of CSS? Answer: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS are the three types. Question 3. Difference between classes and IDs? Answer: classes can be reused. IDs are unique and used for one element only. Question 4. What is the Z-index in CSS? Answer: Z-index defines the stack order of elements. Higher values appear in front. Question 5. Explain relative and absolute positioning. Answer: relative is relative to its position, absolute is to the nearest ancestor. Question 6. Difference between M and rem. Answer: M is relative to the parent font size, rem to the root element. Question 7. What are pseudoclasses? Answer: pseudoclasses define a special state, e.g., hover, focus. Question 8. Inline, block, and inline block. Answer: inline doesn't start new lines, block starts new lines, inline block allows size. Question 9. How to apply styles to elements? Answer: use element, class, ID, or attribute selectors. Question 10. Difference between relative and absolute. Answer: relative is relative to normal position, absolute to the nearest ancestor. Question 11. What are media queries? Answer: media queries apply styles based on screen size, resolution, etc. Question 12. CSS Grid versus Flexbox? Answer: grid is two-dimensional, rows, columns. Flexbox is one-dimensional, row, column. Question 13. What is the box model? Answer: content, padding, border, and margin define an element's dimensions. Question 14. How to make a website responsive? Answer: use grids, media queries, and relative units like %, or rem. Question 15. Visibility versus display? Answer: visibility, hidden, hides but keeps space, display, none, removes space. Question 16. Difference max width and min width? Answer: max width sets max width, min width sets minimum width. Question 17. What are keyframes? Answer: keyframes define steps for CSS animations. Question 18. Adding custom fonts. Answer: use @font-face rule and set font family property. Question 19. Relative versus absolute URLs? Answer: relative is based on the file's location. Absolute includes the full path. Question 20. How to optimize CSS? Answer: minify CSS, combine files, use shorthand, and efficient selectors. Question 21. North child versus north of type. Answer: north child matches any element, north of type matches specific types. Question 22. What are CSS transitions? Answer: transitions create smooth changes between property values. Question 23. What is a CSS preprocessor? Answer: tools like Sass add variables, nesting, and mixins to CSS. Question 24. Inline versus external styles. Answer: inline is written in tags, external styles in separate files. Question 25. What is overflow in CSS? Answer: overflow handles content that exceeds element dimensions. Question 26. How to create gradients? Answer: use linear gradient or radial gradient properties. Question 27. Padding versus margin. Answer: padding is inside the border, margin is outside the border. Question 28. Using variables in CSS. Answer: define with var name, value, and use with var name. Question 29. What are attribute selectors? Answer: select elements based on attributes, e.g., type equals text. Question 30. Float versus flex. Answer: float is for horizontal layout, flex is for responsive layouts. Thank you for watching our video on interview preparation step by step. Feel free to comment with any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.